Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we will learn how to check Windows 10, 7 or 8 expiry date, and also you can check your Windows machine is activated permanently or not. So it's a very easy and a simple method. Firstly, go to Start menu and type here CMD. Now open the command prompt. In command prompt, type here slmgr/xpr and make enter. So a new pop-up will open and you will see here your expiry date for Windows machine. In my case, my Windows Core Edition, the machine is permanently activated, and if your Windows machine is not permanently activated, so you will see expiry date like this, and you will see volume activation will expire on that date, for example. So friends, by this easy method you can check your Windows expiry date, and also you can check your Windows is activated permanently or not. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.